Hello, this is Nick for Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming to you today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent at 257 Pleasant Street, Unit 2. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent in Worcester, Massachusetts. And I'm just going to be going around and trying to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place as I can from the video, as well as highlighting a lot of the nice things that this place has to offer. So starting out here, this is the living room. The door behind the entrance to the living room that you see is where you come in from the front hallway. We'll take a look at that in a little bit, but first thing you kind of notice is definitely that this is a nicely renovated unit. So you got fresh paint going throughout the unit and really nice hardwood floors in great condition. They did a professional deep cleaning in here, and you've got this this nice accent with the fireplace. So that all looks really great in here. Nice big windows let in a lot of light, and these window sills over here have these kind of like depth to them. You can almost sit on them. Nice recessed light in here as well, and this white paint everywhere just makes it all look very bright. Coming in here, this is the bedroom. So the bedroom is like a little bit more closer to what the standard size that you'll see in a typical 3-bedroom might be. So, you know, big enough for like a queen size bed and a desk / dresser setup. It's got a couple outlets in here to make that stuff easy. It's got a nice big folding closet in here as well. And again, just like big lights, big windows letting in a lot of light. Coming in here, you'll see this nicely done hallway, and a lot of things in here, like the fixtures, kind of like nice matte black fixtures, are really cool to see. Got a couple of closets in here. This one is definitely just really a utility closet, and that one's got the washer and dryer. So this is a 2-in-1 washer and dryer. Very expensive unit, very nice unit. That goes all together as one combo. And over here, this is the kitchen. So kitchen's got a stove, a gas stove, so it's gas heat in this unit, and that's separate from the rent. So there's a gas bill and electric bill that would be the tenant's responsibility. And so you can see that nicely comes with the gas stove. It's also got a little dishwasher and a microwave with a range above the stove, and some nice built-in shelves that really have a lot of good character, like the good kind of character. So it's definitely nice to see all that stuff here. And like everything else in the unit, you know, I had a full professional deep cleaning for the cabinets in here as well. And going throughout, you'll see that this kind of opens up into the rest of the kitchen, just almost like a dining room. And you definitely have a space to put a lot of the stuff in here, and a lot of dining room space as well. So that's all very nice to see. Coming over here, this is the bedroom. So this is 1 bedroom off of the kitchen. And it's pretty similar size to the other one, so you know, big enough for like a queen size bed, desk / dresser setup. And this is also a one with the hardwoods. It gets into tile when you get in here in the kitchen, but that's what it looks like in here. And also you've got the bathroom. So this has got a shower with like this nice tile going throughout. It's a standing shower. It's not a bathtub, but it is a standing shower. And you've also got the rest of the bathroom there with the sink and the toilet. And that kind of goes back out here. And this is the entrance towards the back hallway. If you have any questions about this listing or any of our other listings, you can go to our website at nexuswor.com. You can go to our for rent page to take a look at those. Has the option to ask any questions or reach out to the leasing agent. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester at 257 Pleasant Street, Unit 2.